Hi friends, welcome to your Health is Matter to Me channel. Today, I will share with you the truth about coconut oil and weight loss, how it can support healthy habits. So, what is coconut oil? It is a type of fat that is extracted from the coconut fruit. Coconut oil has been touted as a miracle weight loss aid for decades because it has more calories than any other fat, including butter and olive oil. Coconut oil contains about 120 calories per tablespoon, but it's still a fat that's easy for your body to digest. It is a source of medium-chain fatty acids, which may help to reduce appetite and increase metabolism. How to eat or cook with coconut oil to lose weight. Number 1. Replace butter, margarine, and vegetable oils with coconut oil. Number 2. Use coconut oil in place of sugar. Number 3. Add coconut oil to protein shakes, making them more filling and satisfying. Number 4. Use coconut oil to be spread on toast, crackers, and other foods for a healthy and flavorful snack. Number 5. Making low-carb snacks, like fat bombs and energy bars with coconut oil. Number 6. Coconut oil can be combined with other ingredients, like vinegar, herbs, and spices to make a delicious and healthy salad dressing. So, how to identify quality coconut oils? Number 1. Check the packaging for information about the production method. Quality coconut oil should be cold-pressed, unrefined, and organic. Number 2. Look for an expiration date on the package. Quality coconut oil should be fresh and have a long shelf life. Number 3. Smell and taste the coconut oil. Quality coconut oil should have a mild, nutty flavor and a light coconut aroma. Number 4. Check for a smooth, creamy texture. Quality coconut oil should be thick and creamy, not watery or greasy. Number 5. Look for certifications. Quality coconut oil should have certifications from organizations like USDA Organic and Non-GMO Project. In conclusion, while coconut oil may have many health benefits, it should be used as part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Thanks for watching your Health is Matter to Me channel. Please give a thumb up and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned.